The Philippine ITI Center was born in 1967 when we founded PETA in Fort Santiago with a unique sense-around flexible stage. Our center is a multidisciplinary cooperative of artists on stage, broadcast, and cinema. It involves the youth, student, university, community theaters, professional theater, as well as international relations. We hosted the first Third World Theater Festival, which engendered the creation of the Permanent Third World Committee. In fighting for human rights, our center was in exile, based at Ellen Stewart's La Mama Theater. Under a restored democracy, we, the Earth Savers, became the Secretariat, composed of persons with disabilities, indigenous and out-of-school youth, honored as UNESCO Artists for Peace, and recognized its techno-arts training as a UNESCO Dream Center. DG Bukova witnessed the Youth Theater Arts Festival of our center and the inauguration of the Philippines as the first Asian culture capital. We also organized and hosted the 31st ITI Theater Congress and Theater Olympics of the Nation, where the President of the Republic welcomed the delegates with a state dinner. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo honored as well UNESCO Director General Matsuura. Due to COVID, under a UNESCO patronage, we are rescheduling October 2021 the Sustainable Development Goals Resilient Art Festival Forum exhibit for peace, health, and climate justice. Meanwhile, please witness the wide array of culturally diverse programs of the ITI Executive Council in the Philippines.